If you're playing games on your PPSSPP emulator and your gameplay isn't smooth with good FPX, then you need to watch this video till the end, because I will be showing you how to get up to 60 FPX on any device. This also works on low-end devices. Now simply open your emulator, go to your settings, make sure you're in the graphics section. Now for back end, make sure Vulkan is selected. Rendering resolution, make sure you are using 2x PSP. Now if you are using a very powerful device, you can go ahead and use 3x PSP, but it's advisable to use 2x PSP if you are using a low-end device. Now after you are done with that, go to display resolution, make sure you are using native device resolution. Then scroll down, you are going to see device layout and effects. Click on it, click the plus icon, scroll down, you are going to see color correction. Click on it. Now click on saturation, move it to move it to 1.25 or 1.26, any one of your choice. Then do the same thing for your contrast, move it to 1.25 or 1.26. Once you are done with this, click the back button. Now scroll down, you are going to see frame skipping. Normally it's going to be on off. Just tap on it, select 3, auto frame skip, click on it and activate it. And then once you are done with this section, just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see alternative speed. Click on it, put it at 1000%. Alternative speed 2, the same thing, put it at 1000%. Then scroll down, you are going to see lazy texture catching speed up. Turn it on. Spline bizarre curve, make sure it is set to high, and then keep scrolling down. You are going to see your upscale type. Make sure that you select XBRZ. Now as for your anisotrophic filtering, make sure it's set to 16x, and then you are going to also see texture filtering. Make sure this is set to auto. Now once you are done with this, just scroll down. You are going to see lower resolution for effects. Click on this, select aggressive, and then turn on show FPS counter. Also turn on show speed. Go to your controls, simply look for your button opacity, set this to 40%. Alright, once you are done with this, move to your system settings. Just look for IO timing, click on it, make sure it's set to fast, and that's it. You can play any game and it's going to be working perfectly fine on your emulator. So let's give some few games a try. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.